Hey my beautiful people! If you've been looking for the perfect personalized jewelry, I have something super exciting for you guys. Neveah's Personalized Jewelry Collection. And guess what? An exclusive 20% off for all my beautiful subscribers. No code needed. Just click on my special link and the discount applies automatically. Happy shopping! This is your chance to create something truly unique, whether it's your initials, birthstone, or zodiac sign. These pieces make for an amazing gift or a special treat for yourself. I'll walk you through everything, so let's get started. Welcome back, my lovelies, to the Maya Treasures. If you're new here, we provide honest reviews on jewelry craftsmanship, quality, and trends to help you shine with confidence. So, sparkle along. Talking about the brand Neveah, it is a jewelry brand that is known for high quality, timeless designs that feel both luxurious and personal. Their pieces are made with premium materials, meaning they are not just beautiful but long-lasting too. One thing I really love about Neveah is their attention to detail. Each piece is designed to be elegant, meaningful, and perfect for everyday wear. And now, with their personalized collection, you can make your jewelry even more special. Our first product today is Create Your Initial Birthstone Necklace. This is such a beautiful way to wear something personal. You can customize a delicate pendant with your initials and birthstone, making it completely unique to you. Whether you choose your own initial or a loved one's or even your pet's, it's such a sentimental piece. The birthstone details add a subtle pop of color and extra meaning. Plus, you can choose between gold or silver, so it matches your style perfectly. This will make for a perfect gift, and with my exclusive 20% off, it's the best time to grab one. It's made of premium quality stainless steel with 18K gold plating. It's waterproof, heat resistant, and comes with a lifetime warranty against tarnishing. It's 45 centimeters length, nickel-free, and available in quite a few options. Neveah's latest personalized jewelry collection is all about adding a touch of individuality to your everyday style. Whether you prefer the delicate Create Your Initial birthstone necklace, the edgy Old English letter necklace, or the customized name pendant chains available in both classic and Arabic scripts, there is a design to suit everyone's taste. The tablet engraved initial necklace offers a sleek, timeless look. Crafted with high-quality, long-lasting materials, these pieces make the perfect statement, whether for yourself or as a meaningful gift. Next up, we have the star sign pendant necklace in gold. If you love astrology or just want a piece that reflects your personality, this is such a good choice. Each pendant is engraved with your zodiac sign, making it simple yet eye-catching piece. Whether you're a fire sign who loves bold energy or a water sign who's all about emotions, there's a pendant for you. Now, let's do a quick walkthrough of all the zodiac sign necklaces available on Neveah's website. We have the Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and the Pisces. I love how these pendants celebrate your star sign in such a minimal yet elegant way. Plus, they're perfect for layering with other necklaces too. It's crafted from premium stainless steel, ensuring durability and a sleek appearance. It measures 50 centimeters, offering a comfortable fit for daily wear. The pendant has a width of 2 centimeters, making it subtle yet eye-catching piece. Designed to be waterproof, heatproof, and sweatproof, maintaining its quality over time. It also comes with a lifetime warranty, reflecting Neveah's commitment to quality. This necklace combines personal significance with a modern design, making it perfect addition to any jewelry collection. And now it's time for my pro tip. These necklaces make amazing gifts. If you're looking for something meaningful for your bestie, why not get her initials or matching birthstone necklaces? Or if you're feeling creative, you can layer multiple pendants, your own initials, your partner's, or a reminder of someone special. Jewelry is more than just an accessory. It tells a story, and Neveah makes it so easy to create one that's uniquely yours. I personally love Neveah because their pieces feel intentional. It's not just about looking good, it's about wearing something that means something. The quality is incredible, the designs are timeless, and now, with their personalization options, I can create something that feels truly mine. My current favorite is the initial and birthstone necklace because it's dainty, elegant, and holds a personal touch. It's the kind of piece you can wear every day and never get tired of it. So if you were thinking about getting a personalized jewelry piece, now is the perfect time. With my exclusive 20% discount, you can grab one for yourself or as a gift for a special someone. I'll leave the link in the description, so make sure to check out the full collection. And remember, all you got to do is to add your favorite products to the cart and the discounts magically appears in your checkout. Also, do let me know which personalized piece is your favorite in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the My Treasures for more jewelry finds and styling tips. Happy shopping, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next one.